What if I told you that some people live in homes worth $200 million, while others struggle to afford a small apartment? In today's video, we're comparing rich people's homes versus normal people's homes, from bedrooms and kitchens to security systems and even bathrooms. You might think the difference is just size, but it's way more than that. Private cinemas, indoor basketball courts, underground garages with 20 supercars. Meanwhile, most normal families share a driveway and a small backyard. By the end of this video, you'll see a lifestyle gap that feels almost unreal. Let's step inside two completely different worlds. Rich people don't just buy houses. They buy location. Their homes are in Beverly Hills, Malibu beachfront, Manhattan penthouses, private islands, or gated billionaire communities. Some have ocean views from every room. Others live on top of mountains with private roads leading only to their property. Normal people? Most live in suburbs, apartments, or small houses in regular neighborhoods. They choose homes based on affordability, commute distance, school zones, and nearby grocery stores. Rich people choose privacy, exclusivity, and prestige. For example, a normal family might pay $350,000 for a house in a suburban area. A billionaire might pay $120 million just for the land before building anything. Location isn't just about where you live. It's about status. A normal house may have 2 to 4 bedrooms. A rich person's mansion, 10 to 20 bedrooms. But it's not just the number. Each bedroom in a billionaire's house can be the size of an entire normal apartment. Walk-in closets bigger than most bedrooms, private balconies, automated curtains, custom lighting systems, guest rooms designed like luxury hotel suites. Meanwhile, in a normal home, space is carefully used. Kids share rooms. Closets are standard. Furniture is practical. In luxury homes, space is a statement. In normal homes, space is survival. In a normal house, the kitchen is functional. A fridge, a stove, a microwave, cabinets for storage, simple and practical. In a billionaire's home, the kitchen looks like a 5-star restaurant. Marble islands the size of dining tables, multiple ovens, private chef stations, hidden storage walls, smart refrigerators with touchscreens. Some even have 2 kitchens, one for display, one for actual cooking. In rich homes, the kitchen is a design masterpiece. In normal homes, it's where dinner gets made after a long day of work. A normal bathroom has sink, mirror, shower or bathtub, toilet, simple. In a luxury mansion, bathrooms look like spa resorts, gold-plated faucets, heated marble floors, rainfall showers, jacuzzis with ocean views, smart mirrors with built-in screens. Some master bathrooms are bigger than entire studio apartments. For normal people, bathrooms are necessity. For the rich, they are relaxation temples. This is where the biggest difference appears. A normal house, 1 or 2 cars in the driveway. Basic garage storage. A billionaire's house, underground garages holding 20-plus cars, Bugattis, Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces. Some even have car elevators that bring vehicles into private showrooms inside the house. Extras in rich homes include private cinemas, indoor gyms, wine cellars, bowling alleys, helipads, private security rooms. Normal homes focus on comfort. Luxury homes focus on experience. So what's the real difference between rich people's homes and normal people's homes? It's not just money, it's freedom, space, privacy, and choices most people can't imagine. But remember, every billionaire once started somewhere, and the biggest difference isn't the house, it's the mindset. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe for more luxury lifestyle and billionaire content. Because in the next video, we're going even deeper into how the ultra-rich really live.